Hi, period seven. This is Mr. G, Mr. Garcia. Okay, uh, we're gonna go ahead and start a new section. Today's section it's chapter four, but it's chapter 4.1. So this one involves number lines. Okay, so we've been progressively getting more difficult, more and more difficult. Okay, so we're getting into stuff that is maybe you're more familiar with, or maybe stuff that you've seen, but maybe they didn't go deep into it. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right. So what I want you to do is, like always, get yourself a piece of paper, or you got a piece of paper. You're doing that to it, or again, you got your notebook out. Okay, this is a brand new page on your notebook if you're doing the notebook. Okay, or if you have a notepad, you can also do it on a notepad. That's fine. Okay, here we go. So number lines. So the first thing we're going to go over is the number line with whole numbers. Okay, like the video you just saw, it showed negative and positives, right? But it's just an introduction, just to get you to see that that's what you're going to be doing. Okay, now a number line is another way to just show numbers. Okay, you can show numbers by modeling, like putting pictures up. You can show numbers by numbers on a dice. This is just another way to show them, okay, on a number line. So here we go. So let's go ahead and draw our number line. Let me zoom in. So here's our number line. Now, anytime we draw a number line, you could be straight, straight as you want to, or you can use a ruler. You can use a ruler, put your ruler there, and then draw it straight. Okay, we're gonna start with just whole numbers. So whole numbers, okay, they do not have negatives. So we're gonna go ahead and draw one tally there, and just make sure that there is the same distance away. So what you can do is you can put, in your case, if it's a paper, you can put one finger in between, and then that way they're almost exactly the same. Okay, I have pretty good sight, so I can do them almost exactly, almost. Okay, there it is. So it's you always start with zero. When it's whole numbers, you always start with zero, and then you go ahead and go on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that you just drew a number line. Okay, so make sure you guys copy this on your paper. This is a number line. This one has 13. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and plot some points on there. So what I want you to do is I want you to plot number, meaning tell me where number 5 is. So where's number 5? Show me number 5 on here. So number 5 is right here. Okay, now show me number 10. Show me number 10. Number 10 is right here. There it is. So you always mark it with a solid dot. Okay? And now we're going to find out which one's bigger. Is 5 bigger or 10 bigger? Well, you look at the number line. And if you remember the video, anything going to the left of the number line is smaller. If you keep going right, it's bigger. So here's number 10, here's number 5. So let's go ahead and draw a little circle here. So is 5 bigger or 10 bigger? Well, we know that 5 is bigger. That 5 is smaller, right? We know that 5 is smaller than 10. But when you look at a number line, you can also see that it is smaller than 10. Look, see how 5 is to the left of 10? So this tells us that this is smaller. So this is less than. Okay, let's look at two more numbers to compare. Let's look at number 9. And then let's look at number 13. So here's number 9. And here's number 13. Okay, there's 9 and 13. Okay, now let's look at them. Which one's bigger, 9 or 13? Well, if we look at our number line, on the number line, 9 is to the left of 13. So 9 is smaller. 9 is smaller than 13. Now, finally, let's go ahead and put our numbers in order. Let's put them in order, okay? From the smallest to the biggest. So according to this, which one's our smallest one? Our smallest number is order numbers. So smallest is going to be 5, then number 9, then number 10, and then number 13. This is a number line with whole numbers. Okay, these are all whole numbers. We compared two numbers. This 5 is smaller than 10, less than. 9 is smaller than 13. And we also put them in order. Okay? Next video, we're going to go ahead and work with whole numbers. With numbers. We're going to work with the number line with decimals. Okay? And you're just going to continue right here. Oops. You're going to continue right here, right on the bottom. So you're going to go ahead and make your line right here. And we're going to continue here on the next video with the number line with decimal numbers. Now, I want you to copy this on the next slide. Copy this, and on the next slide, post a picture of this. Okay? Thank you.